Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make an Among Us character out of Papa's clay, polymer clay. Choose the color you want to use for your character and then condition it and get it ready. Just get it into this kind of log cylinder shape and then press in the bottom with a tool or with your finger to start to separate the legs. From there you just have to gently work it with your finger and your tools to get it to the right shape. Move some parts around, push some parts in, smooth it out. Just keep at it until it starts to get that little A shape. The backpack is really easy to make. You just take some color and you turn it into a square rectangle type object and press it on the back. You can make the visor a few different ways. I chose to make it all out of clay, but you could also use clay and just some acrylic paint. Take your gray clay and get it into this oval shape and press it on. So to make it look very seamless, I'm going to cut out the section that I'm going to use a different color clay for. And here I'm just cutting out the section of gray that I want to replace with the different color blue clay. I've already baked everything, so I can press on this blue clay without having to worry about messing anything else up. I'm just going to press it in and then gently work it with my fingers so that it looks like it's totally flush and even with the existing gray clay. And now I'm going to cut out a spot where I can add some white clay to give the helmet that little glare. So just use your X-Acto knife to cut out a little section, and then you can use a ball stylus tool to even it out a little bit. Now if you bake your project, you can do the final step very easily. So bake it and then just take some white clay and press it into that hole and add a little bit more, make it flush, and now you've got an Among Us character. Thanks very much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.